I'm going to show you a quick example of queue. Basically, the example is just a REST endpoint which connects to a ping pong host and uses a Hystrix command. And the Hystrix command it's like just the get something from the ping pong server. Configured here, and the ping pong, as you can see here, it's an image already configured. So we have one server which contains the ping pong resource that connects to ping pong container, which is this ping pong container that basically returns an O key. And then also this Docker Compose file starts the Hystrix dashboard automatically. And this is the queue test. The first test is without using queue, which basically sends a request. The second one is it's using queue, but without any toxic element. So basically what it does is that during 15 seconds, it sends requests to the server. And then we have this example of queue, which basically during 15 seconds we are adding a latency to the request between the server and the ping pong server with a latency of half a second and with a toxicity of 0.5, which means that only the 50% of the communication are going to be involved in this toxicity. The other 50% is going to go through without any latency. And finally, we're going to test during 10 seconds what's happened when the ping pong server is down. So I'm going to run it with debug. I put here the debug point. Now it's this is the part of queue, which basically starts all the Docker containers and wait until all the services are up and running, and so it makes some kind of healthy check. So it takes some seconds, but yeah, it's necessary. Okay, now that this is going to be executed, the first this connection takes like 3 or 4 seconds because it's the first time that it's executed, and the server initialized everything that is lazy. So now everything is up, and you can see here that there is no connections. Now I can start running the connection. Now it's up during 15 seconds or so. And now it's applying also the latency problem. Notice that, and now it just started the close. Now the service is down, and notice that here the circuit is open because Hystrix implements the circuit breaker pattern. And when he noticed that there is a lot of errors in the same gap of time, it decides to open the circuit so no more connections can be done. And this is what's happened in this point. It's when the toxicity added a down service.